Nice, thank you.
He said stay on the sidewalk. Why can't be the road?
Hey,
I don't understand.
Captain.
I don't know. I'm on vacation and I don't know what's going on, so I'm just taping. Sorry. This is what I see on Facebook. Sorry.
I can't do that shit in Brooklyn.
Why you saying you can't be in the road? He told me stay on the sidewalk. Why?
Because it's talking.
Huh?
Talk to your shift supervisor.
Oh my God, I swear some violent thing out here. Just for music. I have to tape this, sorry. Why so much people have to come out just for a little lime? I don't understand. So then why?
The whole precinct.
For music?
For harassing him.
Yeah, but why so much people have to come? That's like over too much. I don't know. You don't need 20 persons for one man? That doesn't make sense.
He's under arrest. Take his property. That's it. Have a good night. 98.
Way too much power. Okay, boys, have fun.
This is so entertaining for me.
You too. Nice to meet you.
Same here, I'm on vacation. I've never seen so much cops in one place. Oh my God. Not in my country, this might be some cool something to see so much cops in one place. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't.